Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video we would like to write a program that prints like a countdown from 5 to 1. So when I run the code we see 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. I would like to see this in the output. How can I do it using a for loop? In order to write such a program we need to have a for loop, and for the iterating variable I that starts at 5, and it is going to continue as long as I is greater than or equal to 1. And in each iteration we are going to decrease the value of I by 1 unit. Okay, so it is starting from 5, then it will be 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1, and then it will stop, because I is going to continue as long as I is greater than or equal to 1. So 5 is the first iteration, is the value of the first iteration for the variable I. So in the first iteration we are going to print 5. Then we reduce the value of it by 1 unit, so it will be 4, so we print 4, then we print 3, then we print 2, and then we print 1. So this is how basically we can have a countdown system from 5 to 1 using a for loop, but we could have it from 100 also. So when I run the code now, I see that we are having 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, and it is being reduced up until it reaches number 1 here in the output. Thank you for watching.